rice and kunde. If you love kunde, if you know, you know. This is rice and kunde. I love kunde so much. Kunde is so sweet for me. I love it. This is coconut kunde.